Hello everyone. I will tell you about my life in high school and college. I make this video just for sharing of my story. My name is Faleo Mafega and you can call me Faleo. I'm 18 years old. I'm come from Raja Ampat. I live in Condong Catur and my major is management. Before I come to Jogja, I live with my parents in Papua, and now I live alone in boarding house. When high school, I spend my time for playing game, but now I spend my time for playing futsal. When high school, I did not live independent, but now I learning to live independent. And when I was in high school, I had many friends, but now I have few friends. When high school, I had fish every day, but now I eat chicken more often. Thank you. Bye bye.